Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you whenever you are launching the Windows update, it is does not update. I give some steps you will try to, if this problem, fix it. And in this video, seeing before, if you are beginner, please subscribe my YouTube channel. And in these steps, one by one follow to this problem, fix it. I will show you. Also, don't skip this video. Okay, let's look at the first step. Restart. So we can go to the start menu and click on the power button and choose the restart to restart your system. Once it all process done, then go to the settings and click on the Windows update option. Then you will click on the download and install to check it. If this try to sometimes work it, if it does not work, then you will come to back. Then go to try next step. Troubleshoot Windows update. So same, we need the settings. Then search bar using to search the Windows update. Then here last option choose find and fixing problem with the Windows update. Then click on the next. Here what is your problem, have it, then all is showing it. If tool has finalized, finalized, then you close the this tool. After that, you go to the start menu and click on the power button and choose the restart to restart your system. I skipped these steps. This or take the over time. So then go to try next step. Then delete corrupted Windows update files. So we need file explorer. Click on it. Then click on the local disk C. You can click on the Windows folder. Double tap to open. Then scroll down. Find software distribution folder. Double tap to open. Then select it all. Then right click. Just click the delete to. After that, delete all files once it done. Then it is save the step. Then you will come to back. After that, then go to the start menu and click on the power button and choose the restart to restart your system. Then go to try next step, CMD, then command promote. So search the cmd by using the search bar, then right click and choose the run as administrator. Then type command, type sfc, give the space / scan now. Just hit the enter. This process will take some time. The verification is 100% complete. After that you will come to back. So wait. Okay, here finish. Then type exit. Then come to back. Then go to the start menu and click on the power button and choose the restart to restart your system. Then we can go to try next step. Enable Windows Update in services. So search the services by using the search bar. So click to open. Then we can scroll down and click on the Windows Update. Find and select and choose that. Then click on the properties. Then here already running, so hit the apply and OK to close it. Then you will come to back. Then we can go to finally restart. Then go to the search bar and type settings. Final step, Windows Update, check. After that we will solve this problem. So, and don't forget like and comment this video. Thanks for watching.